The last step has now been glued in, and I would say, with the exception of the toppers that need to go on here, whenever we can find them, we are done. I still have this section to finish, but that won't be done until I build the wall on my property on the other side of the fence to hold the dirt in. We've done a little planting on the different levels. We still haven't decided yet exactly what's going to go in on this side. We probably won't figure that out until spring, until all the dirt settles. And I finish putting in the extended steps here. But all in all, I'm going to say we're done. I planted a few hostas up here also. So it took approximately 4 months to do this, and it wasn't every day. There were several days each week that I wasn't able to get in here, either because it was just too hot, or rainy, or wet, or I was just too tired. So this is my side of the fence, and this is what I need to build up. When we had the chain link fence put in, the guys tore away part of my wall, which is what you see all down here. and I have blocks and stuff to repair it and get it back into shape. And from this side of the wall,
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.